Good afternoon, guys. Let's pack 3 orders today. Ship to Pangasinan, Cotabato, and Cebu City. Let's go! First order is classic pastillas. Ang sarap na tong pastillas ko, guys. Dalawang toasted pastillas, dalawang Sour Patch Kids na original. Thank you so much. Okay, itong from Pangasinan, hindi ko pa pala mapapak yung Fini na sorbelt kasi wala ako nung lalagyanan. Bibili pa si mama. Yung iba lang muna, 350 grams na mixed gummies and 150 grams na mango cubes. Grams na mango cubes, 350 grams na mixed gummies, and sour tape na ipapak ko pa. So, iset aside ko lang muna. Lastly, ship to Cotabato, 1 kilo na mixed gummies. Lang. There you go, 1 kilo na mixed gummies. Thank you so much!